Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Jain and in this video we're gonna discuss polynomial representation techniques in R programming language. So here's a question. What are alternative approaches for polynomial techniques, representation techniques? Write an algorithm to evaluate the polynomial. Right, the polynomial is like px equals to n x to the power n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 n minus 2 x to the power n minus 2 dash 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 and so on. We can also write it like px equals to a naught plus x bracket में a1 plus x bracket में a2, that is x into a n minus 1 plus x into a n, that is each polynomial can be written as ai plus x of ai plus 1 when it's higher order multiplied by x and addition with its current constant. So here's the program that implements this. We have taken the value of x from the user, that is the variable, and then we have taken n from the user, that is the number of constant it would contain. Then we have printed that they enter the value of constants of a and used a for loop to add it into a vector called a. So here's the program for this, and then we have evaluated it in the p is initialized is equal as the last variable, last constant, it is equals to a n plus 1. Then we have used a for loop that would iterate from n to 1 for such that p is equals to a of I plus x into p, that is the previous term. Then we have printed the answer of p. So this program, let it be 1 and b, I think let it be 3. Then the answer would be, and then we have to give the constant, let it be 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Then answer is a of 10 is equals to 10. So here's the technique that represent the polynomial equation in our programming language. Thank you.